Detectors for metal. The variety of alternatives accessible to you when trying to buy the best metal detectors may astound or perhaps terrify you. Although each metal detector is unique, all great coin detectors share the same characteristics. The degree of detection is one of the most crucial elements. Additionally, it's crucial to have high levels of sensitivity, ground balancing abilities, and optimal operating frequencies. Fortunately, there are numerous excellent coin metal detecting machines available with a wide range of costs and capabilities. In today's video, we are going to show our top 5 best metal detectors in 2023. We've done intense research for the best products available today, and we've created a list for you to compare price, quality, durability, and performance. If you need more information or you are interested in any of the products, we've put the links below in the description, where you can find the best updated offers and the best prices available. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our reviews. Now, let's get started. 5. PalliPartners A3030. It has a coil with exceptional precision. The search coil on this metal detector has a 10-inch diameter. As you are aware, the larger the search coil, the higher the sensitivity, allowing for quicker and more effective detection. You may use a waterproof search coil to use detecting underwater, making it ideal for recreational settings like a beach, stream, or backyard. There are 3 different ways that a metal detector can operate. The first is called all metal mode, and it alerts you whenever it detects any metal. The second is disc mode, which lets you use this metal detector to reject other forms of metal in favor of a certain one. Third, pick the target to be notched by pressing not CH, then use the plus or minus buttons eliminated. The fact that you can view the detection mode, sensitivity level, battery life, and volume level is undoubtedly more accurate and practical. Even when it is dark outside or at night, the LCD screen provides information in an intuitive manner and can identify metals up to an 8.7-inch depth. It has a human-designed, adaptable structure. Metal detector has an adjustable stem from 41.3 to 47.6 inches, perfect for both adults and children. 4. SAKOBS Metal Detector. Its 10-inch expanded search coil and Pro Metal Detector Kit are so potent that they can find a quarter coin up to that depth. You can start a treasure search using I68 water-resistant technology on the beach, in shallow freshwater, underwater, and on dry land. It is the ideal adult intermediate metal detector. Equipment from SAKOBS is intended for adults and enthusiasts. Its 3 operating modes, all metal mode, disc mode, and north mode, allow you to quickly use our silver detectors while identifying 6 other types of metals. It boasts ultra-slow scan recognition technology, and our gold finder gadgets use a modernized DSP processor. You won't miss any riches because the detector coil can correctly and successfully identify between various types of metals when it is traveling at a slower speed. It has a bigger LCD display. Our metal outdoor ring. If you're liking this video and finding this content valuable, please let us know by smashing the like button. If you want to know more interesting gadgets for you, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Now, let's go to the top 3 of best metal detectors in 2023. 3. RICOMAX Metal Detector. It is simple to use. The RICOMAX Metal Detector is significantly lighter than others, weighing only 2.31 pounds. It is ideal for all-day use thanks to the ergonomic handle design, and the adjustable height makes it suitable for both adults and children. You can easily see the detection mode, sensitivity level, battery life, and volume level thanks to the intuitive LCD display. If you want to detect metal in the dark, you can also illuminate the screen. It has 4 powerful detection modes. RM and all metal mode, the RICOMAX metal detector can find metals like iron, aluminum, gold, bronze, and silver as well as their products. It has a big surge coil and I68 water resistance. The waterproof I68 underwater metal detector has a 10 large surge coil, and aluminum makes up the shaft to which the coil is attached. The most cutting-edge chip will be used in this metal detector by 2022. We improved the coil's automatic balance technology over last year's model, enabling it to detect underground depths of up to 10 feet, whether you're a novice or experienced metal detectorist. The GC1037 will be a must-have option this summer. It comes with 2 batteries and a headset jack for use with standard headsets. 2. OMMO Waterproof Metal Detector. It is simple to use and has a pointer screen display. With the new OMMO Metal Detector's pointer screen, you can more easily observe the detection mode, sensitivity level, and battery life. The meter pointer swings to the right when the metal target is located. To turn off the device, turn the switch counterclockwise to OFF. To turn the device on, turn it away from OFF in a clockwise direction. The sensitivity steadily increases when the senses turn from 0 to 10. It operates in 4 different ways. You can choose from 4 different settings on the OMMO Metal Detector to maximize your chances of finding metals. The first is discrimination. Deselect the metal you don't want. The unit has auto ground balance in this mode. The upgraded OMMO can distinguish between different types of metal by emitting a high or low tone, which is number 2. The third option is pinpoint, which lowers the sensitivity to precisely pinpoint the target. The last is all metal, which is used to look for various metal things. 1. Bounty Hunter TK4. It is a tough metal detector that works well for finding treasure in difficult terrain. It has 2-tone audio mode, discrimination mode, and motion all metal mode. Its preset ground balance dampens the effects of the ground's mineral concentration. Targets and undesired metals can be distinguished using a disc or notch control. It has certified frustration-free packaging that ships with it. The product links are below in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.